I'll have a look upon the functions of the basal ganglia, which is the physiology, for which I have given a detailed anatomical background so as to know what are the various segments of a basal ganglia: the putamen circuit, the caudate circuit, putamen, globus pallidus, internal, external, then the subthalamic nuclei, then the substantia nigra, pars compacta, pars reticularis, then all they go to thalamus. Well, functions of the basal ganglia are very much important. Control of voluntary motor control, control of a voluntary motor control, control of a reflex muscular activity, control of a muscle tone. Muscle tone is very much important. Muscle tone is very much important. Then role in the arousal mechanism, control of a voluntary motor activity, कॉग्निटिव कंट्रोल ऑफ द मोटर एक्टिविटी. आपने शेर को देखा, शेर को देखने के बाद आप भागेंगे, सिर्फ भागेंगे नहीं, करीब किसी दरख्त पे चढ़ेंगे, किसी दीवार पे चढ़ेंगे. क्यों? इसलिए कि शेर की खाला ने उसको दरख्त पे चढ़ना नहीं सिखाया. अगर दरख्त पे चढ़ना सिखाया होता तो लायन माइट हैव engulfed her aunt, her teacher as well. सो टीचर कभी भी अपने आप को संभाल के रखते हैं. कोई ना कोई राज जो है, दे डोंट लेट इट ऑन द एयर. सो कंट्रोल ऑफ अ वॉलंटरी एक्टिविटी, मोटर एक्टिविटी वॉलंटरी है, वॉल्यूशनल है, आपने फैसला करना है. दिस इज ऑल बाय द बेसल गैंग्लिया. कॉग्निटिव कॉग्निटिव कंट्रोल ऑफ मोटर एक्टिविटी, जिसमें अकल शामिल है. न्यूरल डिस्चार्ज इन बेसल गैंग्लिया बिगिंस well before the movements begins. Neural discharge in basal ganglia begins well before the movements begins. ये देखें शेर की जो फोटो है, that is in your book, कि अगर आपको शेर नज़र आया तो आप क्या करेंगे? दरख्त पे चढ़ेंगे, दीवार पे चढ़ेंगे, आप शेर की गिरफ्त से बाहर आने की कोशिश करेंगे. Control of voluntary motor activity. Most of the motor actions occurs as consequence of thought processes and mind. So basal ganglia is involved in planning and programming of movements. It is executed through functional neuronal circuits. CNS में सर्किट्स बहुत अहम हैं. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही जैसे आप रेडियो या टेलीविज़न खोलें तो वहाँ पे तारों के गुच्छे लगे होते हैं जो कि छोटे छोटे कटआउट्स को मिलाते हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल अ सर्किट्स. This is a circuits. Most of the motor actions occurs as a consequence of a thought process in the mind. Timing and scaling of intensity of movements. कि कब तक, कहाँ तक और क्या मूवमेंट की स्केल होनी चाहिए, ये काम है जी किसका? बेसल गैंग्लिया का. टाइमिंग कब बंद हो जाएगी, कब स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, स्केलिंग किस दर्जा तक है, how rapidly and how much large the movement should be. This is the timing and multitude of the movement. Is it controlled by the basal ganglia? Subconscious execution of the sub movements. Subconscious तहत-ओ-शऊर में जो movements हैं उनको कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाता है. Swinging of arm while walking. देखें जब बच्चा चलता है, बच्चा जो चलता है वो स्विंग नहीं करता आर्म्स को, तो वो गिर जाता है बाजूकात. क्यों? कि अभी उसकी माइलिनेशन नहीं शुरू हुई. Swinging of arm is very much necessary for the balance control. Crude movements of facial expressions with emotions. Movements limbs while swimming. Importance: cortex can be free to plan its actions. Control of a reflex muscular activity. Inhibitory effect on spinal reflexes. स्पाइन रिफ्लेक्सेस पे इसके इनहिबिटरी इफेक्ट होते हैं. रेगुलेट मसल विच मेंटेन्स पोस्चर, मेनली विजुअल एंड लेब्रिंथाइन रिफ्लेक्सेस, दे आर ऑल कंट्रोल्ड बाय दिस. कंट्रोल ऑफ अ मसल टोन वैसे वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट मेंट बाय मसल टोन? मसल टोन की छोटी सी मिसाल ये है कि आप जब किसी भी मसल को, अपने बाजू को फिंगर से दबाएं तो जो कमज़ोर लोग होते हैं उनकी फिंगर बसा औकात हड्डी को टच कर जाती है. लेकिन जो हाइपरटोनिक होते हैं, जिनके मसल हाइपरट्रॉफी होते हैं, जिनकी एक्सरसाइज हुई होती है और उनके जो मसल्स हैं दे कैन नॉट बी डिप्ड, So the amount of resistance offered by the muscles to the pressing devices, including finger, that is known as a muscle tone. A muscle tone is a sign of a health. जिसकी tonic muscle होंगे, that is known to be a healthy person. Flabby muscles, that depicts your muscles wasting is there, you are wasting muscle. So the control of a muscle tone is the substantia nigra of basal ganglia control gamma motor neurons which maintain muscle tone. It's known as a gamma loop. Pathway cortical inhibitory area, striatum, pallidum, substantia nigra, reticular formation, spinal cord lesion. Lead pipe type rigidity in Parkinsonism, that is the indication of a tone disorder. Role in arousal mechanism, जागना है आपने. Arousal by connections of the globus pallidus and red nucleus with reticular formation. Reticular formation is a part of the brain in the midbrain. जैसे कि बोन मैरो होती है हड्डी में, इसी तरह आपके मिड ब्रेन में और आपके पॉन्स में the gel-like material is present embedded with the nuclei, which is the arousal mechanism apparatus. By connections of globus pallidus and red nucleus with reticular formation, lesions, drowsiness and sleep. अब अगर यहाँ पर lesion होगी, लफ्ज़ lesion के बारे में सुन लीजिए, LESION. All the CNS disconnections or all the CNS injuries, they are known by the word lesions. कि lesion कहाँ है? Pons पर है. This is the site of a lesions. So going around, next disorder of a basal ganglia, Parkinsonian disease, very bad disabling disease. My brother is suffering from this disease, which is a very much rather handicap. Chorea, atherosclerosis, Huntington's disease, hemibellismus, Wilson disease. This is a group of disorders by the lesions of the basal ganglia. Parkinson disease, chorea, atherosclerosis, Huntington's disease, hemibellismus, Wilson disease. Students are requested to go in the details of these disorders to yourself. Parkinson's disease, chorea, और इनका जो movements pattern है, every one of you must do yourself and must see by the Google Parkinson disease. इसे कहते हैं paralysis agitans. यहाँ पर जो दो लफ्ज़ हैं, paralysis agitans. भी paralysis के मानी ये हैं कि चीज़ रह गई, it can't move. अब agitans क्यों कहा गया कि यहाँ पर agitation है. Paralysis है inability to do the purposeful movements. Purposeful movements नहीं कर सकता. Agitans कि वहाँ पर agitation है, movements भी हैं लेकिन काम करने के काबिल नहीं है. That is what is known as paralysis agitans or shaking palsy, described by the James Parkinson in 1817. This man is there who gave rise to the etiopathogenesis of the Parkinson disease, very disabling disease, crippling disease. Primary disease is also known by a very, very renowned boxer, Muhammad Ali Khaleh. He was the victim of the Parkinson disease. Etiopathogenesis, primary idiopathic condition in elderly due to idiopathic जिसकी वजह कोई ना हो. Degeneration of nigrostriatal system of dopaminergic neurons. Secondary causes, Parkinsonism, nigra, viral encephalitis, cerebral arteriosclerosis. Drug, इसमें जो ड्रग देते हैं वो phenothiazines हैं, experimentally by injecting methyl phenyl tetrahydropyridine, ये इसकी ड्रग्स हैं. पैथोजेनेसिस देख लें आप. In this figure you're looking here, what's the pathogenesis of the disease. Cerebral cortex giving rise to the caudate and putamen, then globus pallidus internal segment, globus pallidus external segment, then subthalamic nuclei, and then more tonic inhibition to the thalamus, decreased activation of the frontal cortex. And what happens here? Degeneration of the substantia nigra It causes the diminished D1 and D2 dopaminergic fibers which are going to the caudate nucleus. As a result of this, there is the paralysis agitans. This is a very much important transparency. You must learn it by heart. So what is the pathogenesis? Yes. Parkinsonism is a very crippling disease, and you must go to its detail yourself. And because in your practice, when you will grow as a doctor, as a neurophysician, you will be seeing it very much. Clinical features, एक काइनेसिया और हाइपोकाइनेसिया, याद रखें दो किस्म के डिजीज होती हैं, एक हाइपर काइनेटिक है, एक हाइपोकाइनेटिक है, एक जिसमें स्लोनेस ऑफ द मूवमेंट है, एक काइनेसिया हाइपोकाइनेसिया इन unable to initiate voluntary movements or decreased movements, causes due to hypertonicity of muscles. Then comes, this is the typical features of a Parkinsonian person. Clinical features, well, bradykinesia, mask-like face, prolonged reaction time, absent association movements, shuffling. देखें यहाँ मोहम्मद अली कले की फोटो दे दी है, तस्वीर दी दी है मोहम्मद अली कले की. Shuffling or fascinant type gait, retropulsion, these are the clinical features. Rigidity, increased tone in the muscle causes increased discharge of the gamma effects to muscle spindles. Mechanism, striatum under influence of both acetylcholine excitatory and dopa inhibitory. Degeneration of neurons of the substantia nigra, less dopa and more acetylcholine activity that causes the hyperkinetic features. Lead pipe and cognitive wheel type rigidity, hypertone in protagonist and antagonist muscles. Statue-like appearance, posture, flexion, attitude. Tremors, well, tremors very much known. Tremor पे याद रखिएगा, the tremor are of two types, intentional tremor and the non-intentional tremor. अगर आपसे कहा जाए कोई चीज़ छुओ, पकड़ो, अगर उसके पकड़ते वक्त ट्रेमर आते हैं, हाथ कांपते हैं, तो उनको कहते हैं इंटेंशनल ट्रेमर्स. लेकिन पार्किंसोनिज्म में रेस्टिंग ट्रेमर होते हैं. बंदा बैठा है फिर भी उसकी बॉडी हिल रही है, उसके हाथ हिल रहे हैं. इनवॉलेंट्री ट्रेमर, रिदमिक oscillatory movements of the distal parts of limbs and heads. Resting tremors हैं, absent at sleep and increased by stress and excitement, 4 to 6 times per second. Frill rolling movements, जैसे आदमी को गोलियां बना रहा होता है ना, इस किस्म की मूवमेंट्स होती है इसकी, इसे कहते हैं फ्रिल रोलिंग मूवमेंट्स. न्यूरल मैकेनिज्म ड्यू टू पेसमेकर एक्टिविटी इन द न्यूक्लियस वेंट्रलिस इंटरमीडिएट्स ऑफ द थैलेमस. ट्रीटमेंट, L-Dopa, we give L-Dopa as it crosses the blood-brain barrier. हम डोपामीन नहीं देते क्योंकि डोपामीन खांट, अब डोपामीन है तो L-Dopa हम देंगे, वो क्रॉस कर लेगा with carbidopa as it prevents its conversion to dopamine in liver. Low dose reduces rigidity and high dose reduces tremor. Surgical destruction of globus pallidus and ventrolateral nucleus of the thalamus. Let's a few words on the chorea. Rapid, jerky, involuntary movements, dancing movements due to damage to the caudate nucleus. This is a chorea, seen in children as a complication of the rheumatic fever. You're looking at the pictures over here. They are the depictive of the chorionic movements, rapid, jerky, involuntary movements, dancing movements due to damage to the caudate nucleus, seen in children as a complication of a rheumatic fever. Acetosis, slow, rhythmic, twisting, worm-like, confluent, writhing movements of the extremities, mainly fingers and wrist, due to damage to the putamen. Seen in the, see, this is very much important. When acetosis is there, you have to talk on the putamen. Lesion is in the putamen. Seen in children after birth injuries. Huntington's disease is a genetic disease. because of aberrant gene present on the chromosome. Genetic disease, trinucleotide repeat expansion, autosomal dominant disorder, 30 to 50 years of age, abnormal gene at short arm of the chromosome number 4, lesion damage to GABAergic and cholinergic neurons of striatum to pallidum, hyperkinetic features, hyperkinetic choreiform movements, slurred speech, dementia, jerky trajectory hands movements. Cause damage of the subthalamic nucleus, commonly hemorrhage. So reduce output from the this globus pallidus and substantia nigra pars compacta to thalamus. Disinhibition of the thalamic output, hyperkinetic. Then comes the hemibrismus. Well, this is picture. Clinical features: spontaneous attack of flare-like intense violent movement of the whole body. Wilson disease, hepatolenticular degeneration of the copper toxicity due to impaired biliary excretion of the copper, ceruloplasmin. Changes more marked in lenticular nucleus, mainly putamen. Clinical feature: Parkinsonism, akinesia, muscle rigidity and tremor. Ceruloplasmin level, CU stand for the ceruloplasmin level low and ceruloplasmin content of the substantia nigra high. This is all about the basal ganglion lesions. You can also see this figure. Kernicterus, hemolytic disease of the newborn due to Rh antibodies and raised bilirubin in the basal ganglia. This is also one of the lesion of the basal ganglia because bilirubin in the basal nuclei, and this is because of the hemolysis, erythroblastosis, hemolysis. This is also known as the disease. So this is all about the basal ganglia. Hope you will find it fruitful for your further study, and thank you very much. May God bless you.